Let's now take a look at some of these directive principles of state policy. We will also try to understand how some of these principles are helpful in achieving a welfare state. Did you know some of the principles were also inspired by the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi? These are called Gandhian or socialist principles. The intent of these principles was to redistribute power and empower smaller businesses as well as local governments. Here, take a look at them. Establish village panchayats as units of local self-government. Promote cottage industries on an individual and a cooperative basis in rural areas. These industries are especially important as they support and promote rural workers and their craftsmanship. Provide free and compulsory education for children below 14 years of age. For a long time, children as old as you were forced to work in order to earn a living. Imagine what it might feel like to not be able to go to school and meet your friends and learn new things because you have to work and earn a living. That would be a very difficult life. And the makers of the Constitution agreed with this view. So they included this directive principle. Protect and promote the weaker sections of society, particularly scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, as well as other backward classes from all kinds of exploitation. The diversity in our country is immense and complicated. And not everyone deals with diversity very well. Some people feel they are more important because they belong to a certain section of the society. They may even discriminate against less powerful sections of the society. In this case, we're talking about scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. Seeing this, the makers of the Constitution thought of including this principle to uplift these people who have been treated unfairly for a long time. Implement prohibition of intoxicating drinks and drugs, and to improve the standard of living and public health. With this principle, the Constitution tried to highlight the importance of good health for the overall welfare of the country. Intoxicating drinks and drugs are harmful for our health, and getting addicted to these substances often causes problems in people's lives. The issues may range from people being less efficient at their workplace, to even families being torn apart because of the ways in which these intoxications can cause people to behave. Improve agriculture and animal husbandry on scientific lines and prohibit slaughter of cows, calves, and milk cattle. The intent of this principle was to empower people from rural areas by providing them with better farming practices and equipment. With changing times, more people are moving away from agriculture into non-farm related activities like animal husbandry. Animal husbandry refers to the activity of raising animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats for milk, fiber, eggs, or other products. We are dependent on these animals for so many things. We must ensure that these animals are not exploited and think twice about the way these animals are treated.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.